तो कुछ चीज़ें लाइफ में बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग होती हैं, जैसे कि बहुत सारी चीज़ों का सोल्यूशन होता है। आपकी मान लो वॉशिंग मशीन खराब हो गई, यू कैन गो टू अ शॉप, यू कैन गेट इट फिक्स्ड। आपका मोबाइल की बैटरी लो हो गई, यू कैन गेट द बैटरी चेंज्ड। बट कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं जहाँ जो आप कहीं से करवा नहीं सकते हो। जैसे अभी हमारे साथ क्या हुआ कि हमारा हेलमेट का GoPro माउंट टूट चुका है। अब कोई ऐसी शॉप नहीं जहाँ हम जाएँ और उसको करवा लें, तो वो हमें खुद फिक्स करनी पड़ेगी। इट्स टाइम टू फिक्स आवर GoPro माउंट। Wow! So finally, as you can see, this has come out properly, and there is nothing broken in my helmet. Helmet is properly intact. So if you want to take your M-Seal mount out from your helmet, make sure you just heat it up with the hair dryer. This is M-Seal in very quick, and then we have these mounts that we are going to use. So basically this thing is broken, so I'll firstly fix this by applying the Fevikwik, and then I'll attach this thing to my helmet. Now we can leave this for some time, and until then we can mix the M-Seal. Okay. So this thing is properly done now. I have used the Fevikwik to attach this mount and this M-Seal around to fix it with the helmet, and it will take 2-3 hours to to dry and properly get fixed, and then it's ready to use. तो फाइनली हमने GoPro सेट कर लिया है, and now we are going to test it. तो हमारे सामने ये जंगल है. Let's see how the quality comes. So as you can see the mount right here, it is perfectly fit right now, and I think the view that is coming is also all right. So I'll tell you, I've tried different kind of mounts. So I've tried this head mount, I've tried this forehead mount, I've tried this chin mount, and the best mount ever is chin mount, because this gives you the right perspective, and you can also see the screen. So if you are confused where to mount the GoPro, always go for chin mount.